Ah, sige. Padayon.
Hindi, kung ikaw ang tatay.
Okay, congrats. Wala pa din. Sige. Ikaw to?
Sige. Nagyaw ka. Usap na, Ping. Usap, Ping.
Kung si Ira na tayo na namatay, doon ang tinitin.
Again, ang standing is 3 mafias left, 4 citizens left. If the citizens got it wrongly this time, Mafia will win for the 3rd time and will keep their record of 0 votes out. Wala ng vote out ng Mafia ever. And then, kung vote out yung citizen ng Mafia is the very first Mafia na ma-vote out. Pinky, please rise as we read the verdict. In the case of People versus Pinky, you have been voted out and you are a
Ako rin.
Ay,
Jose Rizal.